Hello kids, welcome to my class. So, our lesson name is Birds Talk. So, we are going to discuss about the birds, a very pretty creature. Okay. So, everyone would have seen a birds. We commonly see in our day-to-day life, isn't it? So, we have seen so many birds and everything will be in a different colors. It will be in different sizes and many thing is that it will have different kinds of beaks, isn't it? But do you have seen any birds with teeth? No, it's because birds doesn't have teeth. Instead of that, it uses its beak to eat. So first we'll see few examples of the birds with different shapes and sizes of beaks. So first is the eagle, the king of birds. Okay, so now is everyone are seeing a eagle's beak. So how it is looking like? It is very strong, hooked, and it has a sharp beak. It's because these eagles will hunt and eat. So it needs to tear the flesh of the animal. So it has a very sharp beak. Okay. So the eagle's beak is very sharp. Is it because it's used for them to hunt and eat the animals? Okay. And the next is the a pretty parrot. So parrot's beak will be curved and also it will have a sharp end. Okay. So the parrot is also called as a nutcracker. Okay. What does it mean for nutcracker? It is useful for them to crack the nuts. So these parrots beaks will be like a nutcracker which will help them to crack the nuts. Okay. And the next is the birds like myna, hen, sparrow. See, all the beaks are looking same. It is, isn't it? It is very small and also it is very sharp. It's because they will eat small seeds. So actually all these are the beaks are designed for them to eat what they specially prefer. Okay, they're actually the beaks are suited to the kinds of food they eat. Okay. And the next is the woodpecker. So you would have seen a woodpecker which will put a hole in the trees, isn't it? It's because it's actually eating the small insects that is hidden in the woods. Okay, so the woodpecker is actually not making a hole, it's actually eating insects inside the tree. So its holes is also used for them as a nest as well as it is making to eat. Okay. And the next is the heron and crane. So how their beaks are looking like? It is very long and narrow. Okay, it will help them to catch the fishes. And the next is the hummingbird. So how the beak of the hummingbird is looking like? It is very long, slim. Okay, so it is like a straw. What the hummingbird will eat? The hummingbird will eat the nectar, that is the honey in the flowers, isn't it? So their beak is like a straw for them to take the nectar or the honey from the flowers. And the next is the ducks. Okay, for example, your mom is making any favorite curry. Okay, so you like only a specific vegetable in that curry. What you will do? You will take a spoon, you will put it in the curry and you will take this vegetable separately. Likewise, the duck's beak is specially made so that it can take away only the fishes or small plants that is present in the water separately and eat. Okay, so now you would have understood how the beak is helping the birds to eat their food. Okay. Thank you.